In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add/buy extra baggage Qatar Airways, pay for extra baggage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the airline's website, what to click, and what details you need to have ready so you can pay for extra bags quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to QatarAirways.com. Make sure you're on the official site and, if needed, adjust the country and language at the top so prices display in the right currency for you. From the top navigation, go to the Experience menu. This is where Qatar Airways groups all travel-related services. In that menu, choose Baggage Allowance. This page is useful even before you buy anything because it explains what's already included with your fare and how baggage is measured by route. Some itineraries use a weight concept, others use a piece concept. Skimming this first helps you avoid buying more than you actually need. On the Baggage Allowance page, look for the section that says, "Do you need to bring more?" This is the entry point to pay for additional baggage online, which is often more affordable than waiting until the airport. Click Purchase Additional Baggage. That button takes you into the Manage Booking flow. Here's where you'll identify your reservation so the system can show you the correct prices and limits for your specific flights. When prompted, enter your booking reference number or your e-ticket number. The booking reference is typically a 6-character combination of letters and numbers on your confirmation, and the e-ticket number is a longer numerical code. Either one works. Use whichever you have handy from your confirmation. Next, type your last name exactly as it appears on your booking. Spelling must match your ticket to find your reservation. Then, click Find Booking. Your itinerary will load along with the extra baggage options available for each flight segment. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose the quantity you need, by piece or by weight depending on your route, and review the price before you pay. You'll usually see any online discounts automatically applied here. Keep an eye on maximum weight and size limits per bag, as exceeding them can trigger additional fees at the airport. If you have connections, confirm whether the added allowance covers the entire journey. Proceed through checkout to complete payment securely. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation showing the updated baggage allowance attached to your booking. Save or screenshot that confirmation so you have it ready during check-in. And that's it. Your extra baggage is added and paid for, all set for your trip.